Welcome to our channel. We're excited to have you join us for an in-depth look at the exceptional CASIO G-SHOCK GM-B2100D-1A. In this video, we will explore the remarkable features and capabilities of this timepiece that make it a standout choice for watch enthusiasts. But first, let's give you a quick overview of what you can expect from this video. We'll start by unboxing the product and taking you through the entire process. Witness the anticipation build as we carefully open the box, unveiling one surprise after another. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. This CASIO G-SHOCK boasts a glossy stainless steel case, exuding elegance and resilience. Its durable construction ensures that it can withstand the challenges of your daily adventures while maintaining its sleek appearance. The stainless steel bracelet of this CASIO G-SHOCK adds a touch of sophistication to the overall design. It not only complements the case but also provides a comfortable and secure fit on your wrist, ensuring a seamless wearing experience. One notable feature of this timepiece is its scratch-resistant mineral glass. This high-quality material protects the watch face from unsightly marks, ensuring a clear view of the time and other functions for years to come. When it comes to durability, this CASIO G-SHOCK truly shines. It is built to withstand shocks and impacts, making it a reliable companion for your active lifestyle. No matter the challenges you face, this watch can handle them with ease. As for its water resistance, this CASIO G-SHOCK can withstand water pressure up to 20 bar, making it suitable for various water activities, including swimming and snorkeling. Feel free to dive into new adventures without worrying about damaging your timepiece. This CASIO G-SHOCK also offers a range of practical features. From world time and an automatic calendar to a stopwatch and countdown timer, this watch provides essential tools to keep you organized and on track throughout your day. With its 12 24-hour format and 5 alarms, you can customize the settings to suit your preferences and daily routine. Connectivity is a breeze with this CASIO G-SHOCK thanks to its Bluetooth 4.0 technology. Compatible with most smartphones, you can easily connect it to the CASIO Watches app, expanding its functionality and enabling seamless synchronization with your device. To adjust the date and time on this Casio, press and hold the adjust button located at the top left. Then change the modes with a single press of the mode button located at the bottom left until you reach the time and date. When you reach them, press the bottom right button once to change them. To finish, press the adjust button again. Another impressive aspect of this CASIO G-SHOCK is its solar charging capability. Powered by light, this timepiece eliminates the need for regular battery replacements. With its energy-saving function, it can operate efficiently for extended periods, even in low-light conditions. The display of this CASIO G-SHOCK is equipped with an illuminating feature, ensuring optimal visibility in any lighting condition. Whether you find yourself in dimly lit environments or under the bright sun, you can rely on the watch's display to remain clear and legible. Summary: this CASIO G-SHOCK is a remarkable watch that combines style, durability, and functionality. With its stainless steel case and bracelet, scratch-resistant glass, solar charging capability, Bluetooth connectivity, and an array of practical features, it offers everything you need in a timepiece and more. We hope you've enjoyed this comprehensive exploration of this CASIO G-SHOCK. If you found this video informative and engaging, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you join us again soon.